Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Classroom with Prema Ma'am. Students, we have already started the chapter Motion and Measurement of Distance. So today I am here with part 2. In my previous video, I have discussed about the story of transportation, different units of measurements. Then I explained you what is a unit and what is the correct position of eye while taking a measurement. Also, we have discussed how to measure the length of a curved line. In the last, I explained you what is motion, when an object is said to be in motion and when an object is said to be in rest. So today, I will be continuing about the different types of motion. So what are we waiting for? Get ready with your paper and pen and let's start. So today I am going to talk about the different types of motion. So the very first type of motion is a rectilinear motion. Students, you can see here a car is moving in a straight line. Or also you can see these athletes, okay? These athletes are also running in a straight line, right? On a straight track. So students, the motion of an object that is moving in a straight line is known as the rectilinear motion. As the name suggests, linear मतलब line, okay? Straight line में अगर कोई motion take place हो रहा है, कोई object अगर सीधा straight move कर रहा है, तो उस motion को हम बोलेंगे rectilinear motion. One more example you can talk about is march past of soldiers in a parade. You have seen parade? Yes. So वहाँ पे जो soldiers रहते हैं वो कैसे march past करते हैं? In a straight line. So that is an example of rectilinear motion. Now coming to the next type of motion, which is circular motion. Circular motion, here you can see the blades of a fan. Okay, we are talking about only the blades. Okay students, so these blades of the fan are moving in a circular manner, right? They are forming a circle. Similarly, if you see the hands of the clock, okay students, अगर हम इन hands की बात करेंगे, ये clock के hands है ना, right? So the hands of the clock also move in a circular motion. That means it forms a circle, right? So the motion in which the object moves along a circular path. कैसे रास्ते में move कर रहे हैं? Circular रास्ते में move कर रहे हैं, तो हम उस motion को बोलेंगे circular motion. One more example of such motion is the rotation of moon around the earth. Moon is also moving around the earth in a circular manner, in a circular path. So it is also an example of circular motion. Now coming to the third type of motion, which is periodic motion. Here you can see a clock. If you see the second hand, okay, जो second hand है हमारी, वो कैसे move करती है? In every second it is moving, right? Same distance it is covering and every second it is moving. Okay, आगे आगे move करेगी हर एक second में. तो ये second hand है. Similarly, minute hand भी कैसे move करती है? Every minute में आगे बढ़ती है. Every 1 minute के बाद आगे बढ़ती है. Similarly for the hour hand also. And in this second example, you can see a pendulum here. Okay, this is a pendulum. यहाँ पे क्या है? ये जो bob है, ये जो circular है ना, this is called as the bob. Okay, so ये जो pendulum का bob है, ये क्या कर रहा है? A से कहाँ जा रहा है बच्चों? ये A से जा रहा है B, B से C पहुँच रहा है और फिर वापस ये इधर ही आ रहा है. Okay, so students, we can say motion in which the object is repeating its motion. Okay, जो वो motion कर रहा है, जो वो action कर रहा है, वो repeat कर रहा है. Okay, after some time the motion is being repeated. Such a motion is known as the periodic motion. One more example we can say is the rotation and revolution of the earth. Okay, so earth क्या rotate भी करता है और revolve भी करता है. So rotation and revolution of earth is an example of periodic motion. If we talk about rotation, the earth is going to complete one rotation in one day, right? Then second day वो फिर rotate कर रहा है ना, फिर थर्ड डे फिर रोटेट कर रहा है. सो इट इज रिपीटिंग द एक्शन. सेम वे इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द रेवोल्यूशन. ओके, रेवोल्यूशन, हमारा अर्थ अराउंड द सन भी घूमता है, रिवॉल्व करता है. 1 ईयर लगता है उसको ये रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए. देन अगेन स्टार्ट द सेम रेवोल्यूशन, then complete in 1 year, then again like this it is repeating the action again and again. So that is the reason why we can call rotation and revolution of earth an example of periodic motion. So here the important thing is when we are talking about periodic motion, बच्चों जो motion है वो repeat हो रहा है, right? But it has to be repeated after a fixed interval of time. The interval need to be फिक्स्ड. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले कम टाइम पे हुआ फिर बड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. नो, द इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम हैज़ टू बी फिक्स्ड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, समटाइम व्हाट हैपन, द ऑब्जेक्ट्स अंडरगो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन एट द सेम टाइम. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ मोशन. एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट में डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मोशन आपको दिख सकते हैं एट द सेम टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी, अभी ये बॉय है, इसने इस बॉल को किक किया. ओके, सो द बॉल इज गोइंग स्ट्रेट. सो दैट मीन्स यू विल से द बॉल इज डूइंग विच मोशन? रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. So if the ball is going in a straight line, we can say it is a rectilinear motion, right? And also if you see carefully, the ball is going to rotate. Okay, so again it is a rotatory or a circular motion. So here you can see at the same time two or more than two type of motions can take place. So here rectilinear as well as rotational motion is taking place at the same time. Another example we can talk about is the swing machine. आपने देखी होगी swing machine, yes or no? So here is the needle. So when we talk about this needle, the needle is moving up and down, right? When we are moving this wheel, at that time what is happening? The needle is going up and down. So ये up and down motion जो है needle का, it is at the fixed interval of time. The motion is repeated at a fixed interval of time. That's the reason we are saying it. Needle is showing periodic motion. And if we talk about this wheel that we are going to rotate, right? हम इसे घुमाने वाले हैं. So ये center से जुड़ी हुई है इधर, right? So when we are moving it, it is going to rotate. घूमने वाली है, गोल 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 गोल, right? So the wheel is showing the circular motion. So I hope you have understood कि एक ही टाइम में एक ऑब्जेक्ट दो से ज़्यादा या एक से ज़्यादा मोशंस दिखा सकता है. So you have understood that motion is the change in the position of an object with time, and the change in this position can be determined through the distance measurement. तो हमें पता चलता है कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट फास्ट मूव कर रहा है क्या स्लो मूव कर रहा है, राइट? So let's quickly revise what we studied today. We talked about rectilinear motion, circulatory motion, periodic motion, and combinations of motion. Students, I hope you have understood it properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. That's all for today, students. Keep studying, keep revising, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Classroom with Prema Ma'am. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.